Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphics settings within the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed through the basic tutorial levels, and after you complete them, you will gain access to the main menu. Now from this page, if you wish to make any changes to your game graphics, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, you will see the graphics option. Tap on the pen icon at the right side, and now you can choose from various different graphical presets. You can tap on these presets for a quick adjustment, or you can manually change the individual settings for resolution, frame rate, post effects, crowds, as well as UI effects. After choosing your desired option, tap on the save button and the game will restart in order to make your desired change. Once the game has restarted, your graphic changes will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the graphical settings on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.